नमस्कार, तुम्ही पळयतात गोयचे राजकारण विथ साई दत्त कामत. आम्ही राजकारणाचेर उलयतात. आम्ही सोशल एक्टिविजम म्हणजे आज जे पळय जे भायल्या जगाक सगळे नाका आशिल्लें कितें चल्लां आनी जे लोक जाचेर आवाज उठयतात ताचेरय पळयतात. हांवें भायलें जग इतल्याच खातीर म्हणलां कारण भायलें जग आनी भितरलें जग हे दर एका गोंयकाराक कळपाची गरज आसा कितें तें. कारण आज जायत्यो गजाली आसतल्यो, जायते विशय आसतले ते मांडपा खातीर आमच्या ह्या एपिसोडांक भितर, आमच्या ह्या गोंयच्या राजकारणाच्या सिरिसांक भितर कितलेशेच लोक येतात, राजकारणी येतात, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट येतात. पूण आज आमच्या बरोबर एक अशी पर्सनॅलिटी आसा जी फक्त गोंयाकच न्ही, देशाकच न्ही, जगभर फामाद आसा. बॉलिवूड सिंगर हेमा सरदेसाय. मॅडम, वी वेलकम यू टू द शो.
थँक यू बाबा साईदत्त. इट्स सच अ प्लेजर टू बी हियर. देव बरें करूं.
हांवें म्हणटा आसतना एक हांगा वाक्य घेतलें, तें म्हणजे भायलें जग आनी भितरलें जग. आनी म्हाका दिसता हाज्या परस चड बरें कोणी जर डिस्क्रायब करपाक जर आसत जाल्यार ती तुमीच आसतली. कारण तुमी जगभर भोंवल्यात, तुमी गोंयय पळयलां, तुमी बॉलिवूडांतलें लायफ पळयलां. यू आर टर्म्ड एज मेलोडी क्वीन, क्वीन ऑफ गोवा, इवन आर्टिस्ट विथ अ मेलोडियस वॉयस. आनी खूब कितें कितें प्रकार आसतले. आनी हें खरें बी, कारण हालींच परत एक तुमचें नवें सॉंग रिलीज जालां तेन्नाय हांव पयर कमेंट्स वाचतलो की ते कशे पॉझिटिव्ह कमेंट्स आनी लायक रियली आय एम हॅपी टू सी एज अ गोवन की एक गोंयकार जेन्ना अशें कोण तरी एक एप्रिसिएशन घेता जगा कडलें तेन्ना खूब बरें दिसता. पूण आज हांव एक म्हणजे मेन विशय जो उलोवपाचो आसा तो म्हणजे राजकारण. कारण तुमकांय खबर आसा, लोकांकय खबर आसा आनी सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की एक 2 दीस पयलीं एक न्यूज आयली आनी एक न्यूज अशी की हेमा सरदेसाय इज जॉयनींग पॉलिटिक्स. ताजेर तुमचे कमेंट्स आयले, लोकांचे कमेंट्स आयले. हांव आतां चड उलयना, आय वील लीव इट अप टू यू. कितें एक्झॅक्टली सद्याक सिच्युएशन आसा
म्हज्या बाबतीन की गोंया बाबतीन?
एक्चुअली पॉलिटिक्साच्या बाबतींत, हांव तुमच्या बाबतींत, गोंयच्या बाबतींत आमी सगळे उलोवया. पूण म्हाका दिसता आमच्या ह्या प्रोग्रामाचें नांव गोंयचें राजकारण जाल्ल्यान आमी राजकारणाचेर उलोवन सुरवात केल्ली बरी.
ओके. पयलीं तुजो डावट जो आसा किंवा क्वेश्चन जें आसा पयलीं तुजें तें पयलीं क्लियर करता. म्हजें जें एक सुपरहीट गाणें रायट नाव 78 lakh व्ह्यूज जाल्यार. इट वॉज रिलीज्ड इन जुलाय 2025 बाय टी सिरीज. मैं कुडी अंजानी म्हणजे सामकें सामकें फेमस पद तेन्नाय बी. म्हणजे जे आमी व्हडले सिंगर्स म्हणटा इंडियाचे ते अजुनी आपल्या शोन म्हजें पद गातात. मैं कुडी अंजानी इतलें लव्ड पद तें. आनी त्या पदाक आज इवन नॉर्मल ट्रेलर्सांक 178 lakh व्ह्यूज बी तशें मेळ्ळ्या. Comments you have read yourself, you said, Sai. So people have, I don't know, they always call me the Midas touch. So I'm glad की देवान आणि एक हिट दिलें म्हाका. सो पण कितें जालें, तातूंत आमी प्रेस मीट आशिल्ली ऑन दीस सॉंग. तातूंत ऑब्वियसली बाकीच्या गोंयच्या सिंगरांक कोण पॉलिटिक्स विचारचें ना. साई, कॅन आय कॉल यू साई?
येस, शुअर, ऑफ कोर्स.
बाकीच्या कोणाक विचारचें ना. ते आपले गाणें आनी ते हेमाकूच विचारतले कित्याक हेमांक कोणें वोट दिल्लो, हेमांक कोणाचें कितें खालां की हांवें गोंयचें करूंक जाय, की कितें अशें जालां की हेमा इज नाव इंडेटेड टू गोवा इन सच अ वे की हेमा हॅज टू स्पीक वेदर शी लायक. कितें आसा पाबंदी म्हाका की हांवें गोंयच्या खातीर मरचें, उलोवचें, कित्याक? तूं सांग म्हाका साई, सांग.
म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता
anything where I am restricted or I am forced or I have to speak about Goa, I am obligated.
म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता होच एक मेन विशय आसा. कारण गोंयाक तुमचे सारके एक नावादीक एक बॉलिवूड सिंगर आसा आनी तुमी राजकारणाचेर कशें उलयतात. तुमी जेन्ना एक्टिविटीजांत चलतात तेन्ना तुमी उलयतात, गोंयच्या खातीर झगडटात, हे लोकांनी पळयलां. आनी म्हणून म्हाका दिसता प्रेस आपलें काम करता.
म्हाका आज पसून हें करून कितें मेळ्ळां फ्रॉम एनीबडी? एक व्हडली गोश्ट मेळ्ळ्या, हें हांव मानतां. वता थंय मोग म्हज्या गोंयकाराचो. वता थंय रेस्पेद, मोग आनी ग्रॅटिट्यूड पळयलां हांवें. आनी तें इट्स नॉट अ थँकलेस जॉब म्हणटा हांव देवा. केल्लें म्हजे लोक विसरनात. कित्याक म्हणजे गोंयकारूच तशें इनोसंट म्हणून मन म्हजें आपटता. केन्ना फर्स्ट टायम आयकलां आसलें मन आपटता कोणाचें. कित्याक वाय आर दीज पीपल बींग slaughtered like this with horrible news in their slaughtering their minds? Why? आणि आजकाल वता थंय हांव आयकता डिस्ट्रेस अबाउट द गव्हर्नन्स, डिस्ट्रेस. कितें चल्लां गोंयचें हेमा, कितें जातलें हेमा. हू इज बिटवीन द पीपल? यू टेल मी साई, आय एम नॉट स्पीकिंग. बिटवीन द गव्हर्नमेंट अँड द पीपल, हू विल दे गो टू?
सो तुम्ही खंय तरी हांगा आज लोकांचो आवाज जावन लोकांच्या सरकाराच्या विरुद्ध म्हणजे सरकार
हांव नाशिल्ले आवाज म्हाका जेन्ना कोण आयला, हांव तुका एक सांगता म्हज्या बाबतीन, हेमा हेल्प कर तेन्नाच हेमा गेला हेल्प करपाक. बिकॉज थंय तर कोण आसा हेल्प करपाक जाल्यार म्हाका कित्याक गरज आसा वचपाक. जेन्ना म्हाका फोन आयला, म्हाका मेळ्ळ्या लोक की हेमा दीस थिंग यू हेल्प अस, तेन्नाच हांवें हेल्प केला. नाल्यार हांव ओगी आसता. नोबडी नीड्स टू क्वेश्चन मी. आय डोंट ओ एनीबडी एनीथिंग. आय ओ ग्रॅटिट्यूड टू माय गोवन्स. Lot of singers in the world owe gratitude to all their this. Are they doing in return what Hema does? Never. Thank you, Sai. Proud of you. So why is Hema doing? ल्हानपणापासून स्कुलान म्हण, कॉलेजान म्हण, हांव एक हिंदीन म्हण शख्सियत आयल्या ह्या जगान टू फायट अगेन्स्ट इनजस्टीस. मे बी आय वॉज चोजन बाय द डिवायन फॉर दॅट. मरसर करतले म्हणजे सहनूच जायना न्ही.
म्हणजे गोंयकारांचेर अन्याय जाता, गोंयकारांक
गोंयकार जावं खंय तातल्या तातून गोंयकार म्हणजे मोगाचे, मागीर तो विचारूच नाका. ओके. आय तकली म्हणजे आतां म्हाजी सटकली जाता मागीर सामकें. पूण टील दे कम टू मी फॉर हेल्प, आय डोंट इंटरफियर. बिकॉज इफ यू ऑल आर डुईंग गुड, यू हॅव समबडी टू फायट फॉर यू, लेट इट हॅपन. देव बरें करूं. ओन्ली म्हाका जेन्ना येतात आनी विचारता तेन्ना हांव उलयतां आनी उलयतां अशें की तें लागता, यू नो. आनी दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणजे आतां पळय, ऑब्वियसली नाव आय एम सिटींग फॉर माय सॉंग एंड एवरीथिंग and then they're asking me politics. Okay, because Hema is speaking against the wrong being done. If there is wrong being done, Hema speaks. Okay. So म्हाका विचारलें, मॅम तुमकां, हांवें सांगलें म्हाका मात्तूय इन म्हाका I told the true story which is out, that I had gone to my Gurudev and I said to him, Gurudev, Pujya Gurudev Shri Shri is the proven greatest humanitarian of the world.
So this shows that you are also into spirituality, your contribution towards spirituality.
I am an art of living teacher today.
Hi.
Okay. And I have always been on the spiritual path. Always. What is spirituality says fight for injustice, by the way. Spirituality doesn't say to meditation and words and forget the world. No, be there for the people when something wrong is happening for them. It's part of spirituality.
Be there for the people, and Hema Sardesai is always there for the people. हे तुम्ही आज दाखवून दिता. इमोशनल हेमा सरदेसाय, ज्यांच्या काळजांक सदांच गोंय आसा, गोंयचे लोक आसात. गोंयकारांनी तुमकां हाच्या पयलीं पळयला, जावं तो फादर बिस्माकाचो इश्यू आसूं, जावं म्हादयचो इश्यू येदो व्हडलो गाजिल्लो आसूं, म्हणून ताचे खातीर खंय तरी जेन्ना हो प्रश्न आयलो राजकारणाचेर,
when the saint of ours was messed up with, I mean they tried to mess with his name, don't you dare. पण म्हजे कडेन जेन्ना आयल्या हेमा हेल्प कर, ओके, एक आयली सादवी, hang those who eat beef. Why? हांव बीफ खायना. हांव कित्याक? when I was requested, why did I come and fight for my people? Okay, you tell me in all this, Sai, आज तुमका विचारता हांव, what is my gain? Shows गेले 25 years गव्हर्नमेंटान म्हाका एक शो दिवना.
25 years एक शो दिलो ना. पूण आज हेमा सरदेसाय म्हणल्यार सगळे लोक वळखता, आनी तुमी हांगा ओपनली आरोप लायता की 25 वर्सांक एक शो मेळ्ळो ना. म्हाका दिसता हे खंयचे तरी एक बारीक कलाकार जर म्हणटा की आपल्या गव्हर्नमेंटान शो दिलो ना, जाल्यार ते आमी एक कानान आयकून दुसरे कानान सोडून दितले. जावं जाता ते जावं. पूण जर हेमा सरदेसाय सारकी सिंगर तर हें जर म्हणटा की गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान आपल्याक 25 वर्सां भितर एकूय प्रोग्राम दिलो ना, म्हणजे इतली सरकार आयली. आतां जे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत सरकार आसा ताचे पयलीं मनोहर पर्रीकर गव्हर्नमेंट, लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर गव्हर्नमेंट, दिगंबर कामत गव्हर्नमेंट, राणे गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणजे काँग्रेस, बीजेपी, एमजीपी सगळे आयले. तुम्ही म्हणतात की
इतले पैसे सॅक्रिफायस्ड फॉर माय गोवन्स. श्रेय मानता हांव म्हज्या गोंयकारांचे.
पूण कित्याक तुमकां
थंय
दिसता
साई जे प्रेम आणि जे मोग म्हज्या खातीर आसा न्ही, इट वॉज वर्थ दॅट सॅक्रिफायस अँड ऑल दोज सॅक्रिफायस. बिकॉज हांव जेन्ना डेंजरस गोश्टी घेतल्या तेन्ना म्हाका म्हज्या गोंयकारान मे द ब्लड ऑफ जीसस बी विथ यू, यू नो, सेव यू, प्रोटेक्ट यू. देवान तुका राखूं आं म्हजे, बिकॉज आय टेक डेंजरस थिंग्स. आय कूड बी किल्ड ऑन द रोड. ओके, अँड आय एम प्रिटी ओके.
तुमकां भंय दिसना स्वताची?
अजिबात ना. म्हाका हांव तुका सांगता, आमी जेजू जर म्हणलो असो रावला म्हाका घेवपाक आपल्या गोपान म्हणटा तसो. ओके, आमी जर कृष्ण म्हणलो तर म्हणटलो यो बाय हांव तुजे बरोबर नाचता यो. ओके, तर आमी समज लॉर्ड अल्ला म्हणले, ओके, ही विल से म्हजी धूव आयली. आय कॅन रायट इन माय ब्लड अँड गिव्ह दिस साई. This is the life Hema has led. And maybe we are doing these interviews right now because maybe, you know, आज एक plane आयलें, वयर गेलें, ठटकन सकयल पडलें, नाच लोक. Who knows what is tomorrow's Hema's life? Maybe God is making me speak before that. I don't know. But I am ready. And I've told all my friends, I've told everyone, I'm telling my goans also. हांव जर मेले तुमी अशें नाचूंक जाय, completed life सांगता कित्याक. The ultimate reason why completed. तर because when I went to my Pujya Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, as I told you, is the most proven humanitarian of the world. आणि तांकां सांगलें की पळय म्हाका ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशन लिडर ऑफ इंडिया इतल्या अपुर्बायेन, इतल्या मायेन म्हाका ताणें जॉयन मी म्हणून सांगलें. हांगाचे ऑपोजिशन लिडर इतले प्रेमान, इतल्या अफेक्शनान म्हाका सांगलें, हेमा तूं आमकां, तूं यो गो आमचे भितर, म्हणजे जस्ट बी देर टू लीड अस. मागीर a non-Goan Indian party said to me, 5 crores tomorrow in your bank, red carpet entry to Rajya Sabha membership of ours.
आता काय हे पयली जेन्ना इलेक्शनाचो बोवाळ आसलो तेन्ना? In
these 2 years these things have
last
happened.
2 years.
Yes, you can say 1.5 year actually.
अच्छा. So that is, we can say that
इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार सुद्धा असताच ते असतात. म्हाका मेळ्ळ्या हांगा येवन, you will be our top candidate and this and that. But I have very lovingly and रेशपेदान सामके तांकां explain केला why I am not interested. म्हाका
But why are you not interested? कारण लोकांकय हो प्रश्न पडला आसतलो की
मातशें तुका हें सांगता पयलीं डियर. तर म्हाका जेन्ना इवन बीजेपी सपोर्टरांनी फोन केलो की हेमा यू टेक द साऊथ गोवा सीट फॉर द लोकसभा इलेक्शन्स. I very lovingly and thankfully and gratefully declined. Said, no, sweetheart, no, I will not do this. Not interested. Maka Chhattisgarhan vicharle thayche, because I had done a show with who goes in the Naxal area to do a show. But I know I am on work in Art of Living.
Correct.
We are here at Art of Living to put peace around the world, to
you
bring peace.
You believe in yourself.
And one world family is the dream of my Gurudev Sri Sri. Okay, te karpakuch hema jagla. To one world, one family, smile on everybody's face. How do we do that? So I went to put peace in the Naxal area. And I had, you can see it on YouTube. Everybody can see my, there was like 30 press people who met me there. And, you know, yeah. Everybody was asking, Delhi chanai phone aayla maka. Are you interested? I said, no. I'm not saying BJP authorities ever. See what I said to them. What I said to my Pujya Gurudev is, and Gurudev, my friends want to know कि BJP authorities, supporters always say, Himanshu, they cannot, किदे करुना मनोहर भाई कतिरामे, Honorable Manohar Parrikar, one of the best ministers ever India saw in their lives. Okay, किदे करुना Heman. What has Manohar bhai given Hema? Can anybody from Goa tell me? Did Hema ask anything? Did Hema want anything? Okay. इतली गाणी असलेली, गॉड ब्लेस देम, पद्मश्री जावन तुमकां पद्मभूषण मेळो, कितें मेळो, लॉबिंग मरे सगळेंच.
लॉबिंग म्हणजे तुम्ही वो लॉबिंग.
Okay, there are some singers, whether they have so many songs or no songs or small songs, they have also with their merit they have won the Padma Shri. Let me be clear. But also today's times, in today's times, I've heard there's a lot of lobbying. Okay, let's come to my career later. Can we repeat this afterwards? Because I don't want to miss your point. as why I didn't get the shows. 25.
नो एक दोन प्रश्न आसात हांव तांचेर येतलोच. एक म्हणजे तुमकां शो कित्याक मेळना अशें दिसता, कित्याक लागून गव्हर्मेंटान शो दिले ना?
I'll just complete this part first before we go to the what are my achievements. Okay, which are always God given. म्हजे कांय न्ही थंय. We are all nothing. God only gives. Okay, so for instance, when Gurudevak हे प्रश्न विचारलो, so he said, why do BJP authorities never approach me? Okay, after what I have not done for BJP, म्हणा तुम्ही that time, Manohar Parrikh, Manohar Bhai's time. Okay, so they have seen the work in 2012 also for Manohar Bhai. I never ever campaigned for a party. Let me make it crystal clear to everybody, to my beloved Goans. I will always stand by the human. The great leader, Hema will stand by that person. Okay, and Niswartanya proven.
So party next, individual first.
Not next, not in the offing. Party is not in the offing, not next. Individual. Who is a great leader, who is proven to love my Hindus, Catholics, Muslims equally, who has shown his vision, who has, who our army today, ask them, I have worked with them for the National War Memorial. Also leaderच हांव ना आमचो in म्हणटात.
तुम्ही मनोहर भाई पर्रीकरांचे मेन्शन केले म्हणून हांव विचारता, तुम्ही जेन्ना म्हणटात की इंडिव्हिज्युअल, आज गोंयाक खंयचो इंडिव्हिज्युअल तुमकां असो दिसता हू इज केपेबल ऑफ बिकमिंग सीएम? इज इट डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत सिटिंग ऑन राईट चेअर, काय आनी कोण तरी तुमकां दिसता हू कॅन बी बेटर सीएम?
Okay, now on this let me just complete what Gurudev said. Gurudev, Pujya Gurudev Shri Shri said on my question that why do BJP authorities, knowing I have done so much for them, niswartham, without taking anything, without expecting anything, in the past, of course, या 2 वर्सांक तुमीच पळयला, I have torn into the government. Okay, so why do they never ever think of and I'm not interested, you know, Gurudev, in politics, but I'm just asking. He put his hand like this on my shoulder and he said in front of all my friends, they will be lucky if they have you.
And Gurudev always knows the truth.
He knows everything.
पण जेन्ना गुरुदेवाचो सुद्धा आशीर्वाद आसा तेन्ना why हेमा सरदेसाय is not willing to contest election?
संत देव मनीस, देव मनशाचें रूप घेवन येता तेन्ना तो जितो आसतना केन्ना कोणें मानलें ना ताका देव किंवा संत किंवा हें. ते जेन्ना आपली बॉडी सोडून वतात तेन्ना मागीर लोकांक कळटा कोण कितें तें.
करेक्ट.
You understand? So now coming back to who will be the greatest CM or whatever. Honestly, there's so much of proving to be done by the existing people, okay, of Goa, the existing authorities of Goa, okay, who make contest elections. Okay, so much of proving to be done. How can we pinpoint? Second of all, talking about दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत, जाणे म्हाका 2 वर्सां फाटीं म्हणलां हेमा सगळ्यां खातीर निस्वार्थान वावुरपी, शी इज मदर ऑफ ऑल एज शी सेज शी इज. इट इज ट्रू. ओके, त्या आवयच्या हक्कान आज हेमा उलयता. एक आवय, त्या आवयच्या हक्कान आज हेमा उलयता. जो मनीस दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत became chief minister, innocence personified as a mother saw him. Hema the mother. Very unity and diversity in his heart. Kind, इतले की खंय तरी कितें जालें, रस्त्याचेर गाडी थांबयली, भायर सरलो, हेल्प केलें, वो दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत, who Hema knew and would have supported always. Would have supported. But as time has gone.
And what's the reason? There are so many reasons. I can make it out from your emotions, from what you are saying.
What is worrying me as a mother? Let me tell you. Is it him? Or is it someone else behind up there in Delhi?
सो तुम्ही म्हणतात की दिल्लीच्यान स्ट्रेट अवे तांचेर हात बसता
कोण आसा तो मनीस हेमा
दे आर कंट्रोलिंग हिम.
हू इज आय एम आस्किंग. दिस इज नो स्टेटमेंट मेड. आय एम आस्किंग. And I'm asking and I'm worrying. I'm worrying because at this point, suppose तुम्ही दोतोराक सांगले resign जा because you should not tolerate. Suppose it is the truth of that somebody else is controlling him. We don't know. Okay. So आम्ही सांगले तो म्हणटा पण रिझायन जाता म्हज्यान सहन जायना हें. ओके, सपोज लेट्स टेक अ सपोज फॉर एवरीथिंग. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स विच यू आस्क्ड मी, हू एल्स इज देयर?
करेक्ट.
सो द क्वेश्चन इज, one person goes, who comes in the place? Is that person going to be greater? Or will he not be controlled in case there's controlling?
सो तुम्ही म्हणतात की सिस्टमच पहिली करप्ट आसा, सिस्टमच चेंज जावपाक जाय.
So even if he wants to resign, it will be a tough thing for him in case this is happening. See, my words are very clear. Okay. In case, suppose these things are happening and I am talking a thing where I could be shot dead on the road and I'm so super fine with it. God is waiting for him. नाचात एकटोय दुखां काडचो ना. आनी दुखां काडल्यार ग्रेटिट्यूड मातशी काडल्या जाता. तो एंजल्स येता का गुरुदेव म्हणटा म्हजो शिश्य.
तुम्ही जे पळय उलयतात ते म्हाका दिसता तुमची जी गाणी सुपरहिट आसात ताज्या परस हे स्टेटमेंट कितलेशे तुम्ही आज इंटरव्यूक दिल्यात तेही हिट जावपाचे उरल्यात. आज एक आमगेलो चॅनल आरडीएक्स म्हणजे बॉम्ब करपा खातीर जे सामान वापरतात तेही लोक म्हणटात. सो हो बॉम्ब आज फुटपाचो उरला.
आय एम टॉकिंग टू आरडीएक्स चॅनल. My every word is RDX to use it against the wrong happening for Goa. It's a war. It's a battle and a war. And if I don't speak, I don't see anybody speaking like me. So I need somebody. If you ask me, you want somebody to support you? येयात.
तुम्ही परत परत उलयत आसतना कोण तरी कंट्रोल करता म्हणटा म्हाका दिसता.
I said if साई, I said if somebody is controlling, मरण तकलेर घेऊन हेमा is watching you.
But what is the option, do you think? एक किती तरी ऑप्शन असता. इलेक्शनूय लागीं पावता.
ना हांवें सगळें तुका व्यवस्थीत एक्सप्लेन केला. हो ना जाल्यार कोण जाल्यार कंट्रोलिंग खंय चलना कंट्रोलिंग ताकाय कंट्रोल करतले, ताकाय हें करतले. Why is if it is happening? I am repeating again and again if it is happening. आमचें गोंय कितें तुमकां इडियट दिसलां की तुमी जाय तशें करतले? हांव आसा अजून जितें, रेडी टू, जाका मरणाचोच भंय ना म्हाका घाला मरे एक प्लेनान आनी उडयात. It's all good. No problem, man. Just don't do this to my Goans. Antaskarnapasun, innocent people. Why are they not speaking as much as they can? They are more than those people of the rest of my beautiful India की ज्यांनी मोगल आयले टॉलरेट केले, ब्रिटीश आयले टॉलरेट. आमची टॉलरन्स लेवल आनीक वयर, आनीक स्पिरिच्युअल. आमी
सादे ते सादेच उरले. आमी टॉलरेट करपाक शिकले
म्हणून
झगडपाक शिकले ना अशें
तुम्ही आमच्या मनशांक इफ म्हणटा परत. सपोज तुम्ही आमच्या मनशांक जे आमकां रूल करता तांकां घेवन अशें तुमी मुठीन जाय तशें तुमी हालयतले गोंय. नाव कमिंग बॅक टू yesterday's event. Before that, let me clarify very clearly to my Goans. म्हाका प्रेस मिटान प्रश्न विचारलेलो, हेमा तुका इंटरेस्ट आसा पॉलिटिक्सान? हांवें सांगलें हांवें हें हांकां सगळ्यांक ना म्हणलां अपूर्बायेन. My statement was very clear. So you will never enter politics, they asked me. So I said, तुमकां इंटरेस्टूच ना. I said, if the president of India, who is non-political, Excuse me. The President of India is non-political. I qualify to be humbly, with all humility possible. म्हाका पद्मश्रीज नाका तुमचे, पद्मभूषण नाका. एक opportunity जर म्हाका आयली from the president side, nothing to do with any political party. Strictly so. And anybody should show one statement of mine where I said, BJP leaders, if they come to you, I will consider it. हांव हेमा म्हजें नांव काडटां. चल. I had said, since they kept on asking me, you know how our press darlings are. I mean, they will ask you, so it's like, if it comes from the president, I will think about it, I said. It's a respect given, right? I never said I will take it. I never said consider. Consider is different from think about it. Think about it can be yes or no. Consider it is like, I may be
50-50.
Yes. So there's a big difference between think about it and consider. And these are Hema's words, and nobody can take and put words in my mouth. Sorry. A person who walks on the road of death, you don't put words in my mouth. ती कर्मा घेऊ नका तपुरबायेच्या नो. I asked, Lord, forgive all those fake IDs on Facebook which are planted by even some of our press people only to sensationalize. Some are planted by opposition leaders. Some are planted by leading parties, you know. Sensationalize.
प्रत्येकाक आपल्याक पब्लिसिटी जाय, आपल्याक फेमस जावपाक जाय.
म्हाका जाली मनोहर पर्रीकर असल्यापेक्षा जितले फेक आयडीनी, एक 3 जाण आसा तांची नांवां घेतिल्ली हांवें रिसंटली, 10 फेक आयडी प्रत्येकाचे. ओके, वन ऑफ देम इज अ मर्डरस सोल. He was there during Bismarck's time, suddenly appeared in his life, and suddenly we lost Bismarck. Okay, now that soul will open up. Once they open up, you know who he is, the murderer. Because otherwise, why will he open up? You get me? Every time he exposes himself.
स्वतः कॉन्स्पिरसी करून स्वतःक आपण फसतात आणि लोकांक दाखवून दिता आणि आपल्याकच एक्सपोज करतात.
आणि अशी पट्टी पडयल्या कांय गोंयकारांक तांणी की आमी ते बरे लोक आशिल्ले आनी बट यू नो सत्याच्या वाटेर कोणें आड येवचें न्हय. मरण सुद्दां हेमा खाल्यार सत्य भायर येतलेंच. हें म्हजें प्रॉमीस म्हज्या गोंयकारांक, वचन गोंयकारांक, तुमकां सत्य दिसतलेंच सदां. आनी कितले हांव तांकां म्हणटा वर्मीन, कितले हे वर्मीन फेक आयडीज दे टॉक एंड दे रूल्ड बाय 2-3 you know enemies of Goa, as I call them. Goans, one of them is not a Goan.
Forget about this fake IDs and everything. Now let us come to real Goinkars. Real Goinkars आमी म्हणजे जांकां म्हणया जे तुमकां दोळ्यामुखार मेळटात.
म्हज्या रक्ताक
तोंडामुखार मेळटात.
रक्ताची शपथ घेवन सांगता, एकूय म्हजो खरो गोंयकार जो फेक आयडी ना, हेमांक केन्नाच वायट करचो ना. कित्याक ते अंतस्करणान देव आसा. ते ल्हानपणा पासून तांचे हेमांक तांणी आशिर्वाद दिवन आज कितें आसा हेमा, कोणाचे आशिर्वाद.
हांव तो क्वेश्चन आज कंटिन्यू करता. जेन्ना एक रियल गोंयकार, आमी लेट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट द फेक गोंयकार जो कोण फेक आयडीज करून सोशल मिडियाचेर आसा. रियल गोंयकार म्हणजे तो नीज गोंयकार जो तुमकां दोळ्या मुखार मेळटा, तुमच्या तोंडा मुखार मेळटा. मॅडम हेमा सरदेसाय, आमी तुज्या फावराक आसात अशें म्हणपी तुमकां कोणी गोंयकार मेळ्ळ्यात. आनी हांव एक इव्हेंटाचे हांगा स्पेशल आज हांगा उल्लेख करतलो. आय विल मेन्शन द स्पेशल इव्हेंट which happened yesterday or some 2 days back in Art and Culture Hall. Yesterday in Art and Culture Hall, Monsoon Express. थंय तुमी
Monsoon Expression.
Monsoon Expression. So थंय तुमी चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून गेल्ली. हांव ते सगळ्यो बायट्स पळयतालो. आय वॉज जस्ट प्रिपेरिंग माय सेल्फ फॉर द इंटरव्यू. सगळ्यो न्यूज येताल्यो आनी तेन्ना थंय कितलेशेच विशय आयले, कितलेशेच लोक तुमकां मेळ्ळे. लोक कितें कितें सांगपाक लागले. ही बातमी आयली पूण लोकांनी कितें सांगलें ही बातमी आयली ना.
There was हे मनसून एक्सप्रेशन. काल म्हाका अपुर्बायेन आपयल्लें, म्हजी इतली वाखाणणी केल्या थंय. आमच्या डिरेक्टर ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चर सगूण वेळीक बाब, आमचे डेप्युटी आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिरेक्टर मिलिंद माटे बाब, दे ऑल द कॉम्पेर all of them very lovingly spoke about me, but honestly म्हाका कोणे कांयच एक शब्द उलोवंक ना during about what is happening.
हय. What is happening means the political scenario.
I am not showing off when I say this, but I'm an art of living teacher today, and some of us can hear thoughts.
Correct.
We have been given that boon.
Correct.
I heard pain. I heard pain from why this happened.
What exactly happened is also the important to know, because
साई तू जाणा,
हय.
सगळे जग जाणा, एक मिनिस्टर stood up in public and he said there is corruption in some part of the administration. You are a well-known press person, okay, one of the great anchors in the press. तुम्ही सगळी खबर दवरतात. Law, most people know.
Correct.
What was unlawful in his, where he was supposed to have his freedom of speech? What was unlawful that he needed to be removed? कोणाचे नाव घेतलेले ताणे?
जे तुम्ही म्हणतात की फक्त ताजेर न्ही, ताज्या पूर्ण खात्याचेर, लोकांचेर, सगळ्यांचेर अन्याय जालो.
हांवें फेसबुकाचेर क्लियरली घालां की इफ आय वॉज चीफ मिनिस्टर आय वूड हॅव सेड आय एम प्राउड ऑफ यू and let us get to the bottom of it. Let's go and take an inquiry together and let's find out where is the corruption. How many companies are there in India? Don't we know corruption happens? Huh?
डायरेक्ट जायन जाल्यार इनडायरेक्ट जाता.
हांव सांगता हेमा सरदेसाय, म्हाका मारतले मरे येवन मारात. In the police department corruption doesn't happen? Answer me. I am not saying every police is corrupt. But many policemen have to shut their mouths. आज मरणाकूच बसला हांव हांगा बाबा. ओके मरे? आर्मीन आमच्या करप्शन जायना.
तुम्ही म्हाका
तुम्ही म्हाकाय I'm asking you. No, let's start. RDX मरे तुमची चॅनल. आर्मीन आमच्या करप्शन जायना. There are great army men who are, I would say, not in that. There are great policemen who are not in that. But many of them cannot open their mouths also and say something.
Means you are saying corruption is everywhere.
Now I want to put one big RDX bomb. हांव मनोहर भाईक मेळपाक गेल्लें.
ही आतां केन्नाची खबर?
2016 or 17. It's when I was judge for the war memorial, Army War Memorial in Delhi, which was not happening for 20 years. And an RDX like me was also there to make sure it happens. And I called Manohar Bhai at the end of it and I said, mission accomplished.
And Manohar Bhai was defense minister.
I went to meet him in his... I have no wish and I am simply clearly in no way saying that the leading topmost BJP cadre, the leaders, are in any way involved in anything here. I am very clear with what I'm saying. But at the same time, when it comes to some people who are also not political but are involved in these things, you have to become too strong to handle that. Okay? So I was there, I got that done, but Manohar Bhai, he said clearly to me, I'm not talking about any leader, Hema, because I love my top leaders and they've been very kind to me, they're very nice. I mean, I am happy here in a way, but I don't give my file to any peon to take it. I'll personally what's on galta. ती फायल खंय पावतली ती खबर ना.
So Pune is also corrupt in
I
government
am
offices.
talking seriously, serious stuff. And I said that right now, if you call it the gun, it's already on my head. And I'm smiling.
You are smiling, but I have become serious कारण म्हाका आता इंटरेस्ट जाला की हे खंयच्यान खंय कितें चलता.
I'm smiling because I'm ready to die smiling. I'm not smiling at what happened. Hema doesn't smile at when these things happen. I want a clear message to go everywhere in India, including if, like I said, and suppose there is some pushing going on, I am watching, and when I get to the truth, I will tear it open. And you can tear me dead.
Do you
Or
think,
maybe you can tear me dead before I open the truth.
do you think की both options are possible? म्हणजे खरे जर उलोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार मनीस मरता. हेय एक तुम्ही दाखवून दितात.
I was proud, I'll say was today, super proud of our minister Narendra Modi. हांव सगळे जग भोंवलां for my shows. I know how Indians were treated first and after our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji came to power. The love and respect that we received when we used to go out as Indians. But at this point, I am baffled. I am not a supporter. I wasn't. I was an admirer at that time. I was supporter to Manohar Parrikar. Admirer of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And at this point, I am baffled. What is the truth? What is going on?
What is the truth? तुम्ही खऱ्यानेच बॉम्ब घालतात समको.
How it is possible? I want to know. म्हाका गोविंद गावडे बाब कितें दिवपाचो आसा साई हें उलोवपाक तूं सांग. सांगचें कोणें? खंयच्याय गोंयकारांनी येवन सांगचें की गोविंद बाबा कडून हेमांक कितें मेळपाचें आसा. हाव कॅन यू थ्रो अ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा आउट फॉर स्पीकिंग समथिंग वेर देर इज करप्शन इन सो मेनी प्लेसेस इन इंडिया. And there could be, and you are not idiots, Goans. We all know there is some corruption happening here and there. Now let me tell you one thing. I was at the National Games. Oh my God. This is like the RDX, okay?
Hi.
And after this, it will be silence her if somebody is a bad person. If, suppose. This is silence her straight away. Okay, so sound system किधर है?
थंय करप्शन म्हणटा तुम्ही साऊंड सिस्टम.
No, he was there. So I have made a statement last year. इतले खातात आणि इतले दितात for that event or Kala Akademi or whatever. खावप इतले. I asked. I'm asking today also.
तुम्ही कला अकादमीचे नाव
I am asking today also. There was
Ask
a ruse. There was a ruse to throw me out even of that show.
Just because you pointed out a mistake.
No, I didn't point out the mistake. I was in the mistake on the stage. And God, जेन्ना तूं देवाचे भुरगें आसा तो म्हजो आवाज कसो बसो पावलोच म्हज्या लोकां कडेन. But I was screaming. You don't scream when there's a great sound system. I lost my voice. I swear on God. After that 1 month, I think 2 months later or 3 months later, I did a smart city. I was screaming about the smart city and the heritage things that were not being taken care of. So I lost my voice because of that. How many shows gone when a singer loses her voice?
Correct.
I couldn't hear. And can I say, I'm sorry, the sound, the nation is watching. Maja goinchi izzat.
You cannot blame the sound system. You cannot blame the mic. You
not
cannot blame.
No,
I
can't scream about it and complain about it.
Correct.
Not blame. I can't complain because maja goinchi izzat.
म्हणजे तुम्ही म्हणतात की सामके दोंगरावेल्यान
I said
मुळसाक
already,
मेरेन
is it,
सगळ्याक
is it,
सिस्टमाची
I'm
वाट
asking,
लागल्या.
I keep asking, इतले खावप आणि इतले
But
दिवप.
what is the solution?
Wait. Now the question is it the topmost authority of Goa who's involved in this, or again, is it somebody from up there? I want to know, as a true, selfless, and very, very what was the word I should use? I would like to know, as a true, selfless, and complete citizen of Goa.
म्हणजे तुम्ही असे म्हणतात की
That
तुमकां
who is it,
जे
who is
सेंटरा
holding
कडल्यान जी
the gun?
गोंयची गोंयची वाट लागता ती म्हणटा तुम्ही लागपाक नाका.
No. Sai, no. You are doing the press thing on me. Censorship.
No, I'm just asking.
No. I
कारण
am
तुम्ही
saying very
खंयतरी
clearly,
जेन्ना
if it is happening, and I'm keeping on throughout my things, if and suppose, but I'm bringing it to the fore, I want to know, as a true, selfless, and complete Goan, I want to know what is going on in my Goa and why is it happening, because I am witness to this. It is happening. कितें चूक केली कोणे म्हणपाक की there was corruption in the, just get to the point. And why is so much pressure being, suppose, let me tell you this, I told you at one point that gentleman, our honorable CM, I know him as an innocent, loving and caring and unity. I have gone to old Goa. They've told me to also help करता आमकां. ताजी innocence, ताजी उतरां, ताचो मोग हांवें पळयला. Not that he has given me anything. Sorry. No way.
You're talking about one and only
For his
Mr. Monal
Goa.
Parrikar.
Yeah. So, no, after he became CM. Dr.
Dr. Pramod Sawant. Sorry, yeah.
Yes. I've seen him, old Goa Sudha Gela. I've talked to because I keep worrying about my Goans. I keep asking. They come to me. They talk to me. So, who is it that is troubling our Goa beyond Goa? Hema wants to know. Goa wants to know.
तुम्ही खंय तरी म्हणटा की दोतोराकय कोण तरी
And don't
त्रास
take
करता.
it lightly. I am on the job. And I have such great spiritual minds with me who can read through it and see it. Curb it now.
But what is the option? Can any local party win the election? Can they form the government? कारण फाल्यां लोकल पार्टी समजा जर जिखली जाल्यार एक गजाल बरी जाता ती म्हणजे दिल्लीच्यान कंट्रोल करपी कोण आसपाना. सो तुमकां दिसता की इज दीस द गुड ऑप्शन फॉर गोवा इन फ्युचर? Because since we are discussing about politics, since we are asking you about
small state
since
like
we are
Goa
asking
size.
you about you are joining in politics, so everything, all these questions are mixed. आणि एक गोंयकार जेन्ना हो इंटरव्यू पळयता ताज्या तकले हेच प्रश्न चल्ले आसतले.
I have always said to those who told me, Hema, we should start a local party. I have said, हांव contest करचे ना, but I will support you from behind. सदांच म्हणलं, खूब जाण येतले तुका सांगता.
सद्याक आतां थोड्यो लोकल पार्टी आसात गोंयांत. एक म्हणटा ती रिव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्स पार्टी आसा, गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी आसा, बाकीचे कांय पार्ट्यो आसात. तुमकां दिसता की हातूंत भितरले कोणीय जर तर समजा जर फाल्यां सरकार घडयता, फाल्यां समजा जर तर इफ दे आर फॉर्मिंग द गव्हर्मेंट, इज देर एनी गुड थिंग विच वील हॅपन, ऑर इज इट द सेम थिंग जीच कंटिन्यू जायत रावतली अशें तशें हें तें? काय एक खंय तरी दुसरे लोक जाय?
Honestly, in all these things that I spoke to you,
Yeah.
I was right on there where I kept saying, is this happening? Can it be happening? Suppose it is happening. I would like to find out exactly what is going on. It seems like this, it seems like that. I've told you everything. But where the local Goan parties are concerned, I'm completely lost. I don't know what is there. I'll have to sit and find out what is they're giving to Goa, what have what exactly is the work that they have done, but I've never interacted with them. So till I don't know something, I will not speak. Also, what I spoke in this whole interview of mine, which you please make sure that you say it, is very clearly that I am thinking, is it or is it not whatever I've said is happening? If it is
अशें
happening,
दिसता म्हणून अशें जाता काय
हय,
अशें
सारकें साई, thank you.
अशें
Thank
आमकां
you, Sai.
कळपाक जाय आनी हे
Yes.
गोंयकाराकय
You're
कळपाक
not
जाय.
putting words in my mouth. I really appreciate it.
थँक्यू.
And I want to know because हांव जर उलयलें ना, साई आनी कोण आसा? सांग रे.
आनी कोण आसा तो खबर ना, पूण उदळ हांवें एक प्रश्न विचारपाचो ट्राय केल्लो. तो म्हणजे तुमी जेन्ना स्टार्टिंगाक उलोवपाक स्टार्ट केल्लें, तुमी म्हणलें की हेमा सरदेसाय आज इतली टी सिरीज सारक्याच चॅनलाचेर इतली फेमस आसा, इतले व्ह्यूज मेळटा, इतले सगळे देशाक न्ही तर जगभर लोक वळखतात. कोण म्हणटा
शोज केले बाबा, अरुणाचल प्रदेश शो केलो,
हय, पूण
मिरज
तुमी
शो केलो.
स्टार्टिंगाक
This song when it is played, this latest song, of course my Kudiyan Jani, people loved it.
पूण तुमी स्टार्टिंगाक अशें म्हणलें की एक खंय तरी लॉबिंग चल्ला आनी ताजे खातीर आपल्याक वायट दिसता, ताजे खातीर हेमा सरदेसाय कोण केना. Who is playing with this
They call me a
everything?
very humble soul. Even when they gave me the Champions of Change award by for the work that I've done selflessly, but दोन former Chief Justice of India, former judges of India, unanimously they have given me.
म्हणजे गोंयच्या भायर तुमकां खूब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज मेळ्ळ्यो.
ना गोंयकारांनी म्हाका खूब मोग दिला. मे बी नॉट द ऑथॉरिटीज, द गव्हर्नमेंट,
सरकारान दिले ना, पूण गोंयांत
सरकारान झिरो,
सरकार झिरो, पूण गोंयचे लोक 100 आउट ऑफ 100.
ना, इट्स ओके, आय डिडंट डू, बट म्हज्या गोंयकारांनी म्हाका खूब मोग दिला, खूब प्रेम दिला, एंड आय एम सॅटिस्फायड सोल, कंटेंट सोल. पूण म्हणणे म्हणजे आफ्टर ऑल दीज थिंग्स हॅपनिंग, I'm still risking my life and this, but today I say, without any humility, let's keep Hema's humility aside. हांव एक प्रश्न बरो विचारता सदांच की आमी जे करता ते देव दिता न्ही सगळो, आमी कोण? Fame, power, money, everything comes from God. What have you done for society? In that context, I am nothing, zero. पण आता सगळी ती ह्युमिलिटी कुशीक धरून हांव विचारता. 100 आनी चड गाणी बॉलिवूडान, साई, only singer of India who UNICEF invited, only singer who won the Grand Prix in Germany competing with 21 countries, only singer who Bollywood's music mogul, I'm so sorry, please edit that, Hollywood's music mogul, okay, a great Bollywood celebrity has gone to America, but this Hollywood music mogul who has Tony Mercedes, who has won the Grammy Award for Shape of You, for publishing Shape of You. The man who was behind names like TLC, Tony Braxton, invested in Hema Sardesai's voice. Okay? And he says in New York at the press meet, I've worked with Shakira, I've worked with Pink, I've worked with them all, but Hema Sardesai, she's not just a magnificent singer, she's a great human being, and I respect her.
आणि हे गोंयकारा खातीर खऱ्यांनीच अभिमान दिसपा सारकी गजाल आसा.
In India and all over the world, how many music directors, publishers, producers of Bollywood and Hollywood will say, I respect this singer? How many will say to how many singers? आणि केन्ना पद्मश्री मागलो म्हणजे फेसबुकाचेर पुरबायन म्हणजे गोंयकार, हेमा तुका पद्मश्री मेळूंक जाय, हेमा तुका पद्मभूषण मेळूंक जाय. केन्ना मागले हेमान?
But don't you think you deserve this award?
I have seen in India whether it is this party or the other party.
मागपाचो प्रश्न ना, पूण तुमकां दिसना की you deserve this awards?
एक शाण्या म्हज्या, हांवें पळयला through the years of my life, I'm not young, I'm very old.
हय.
But the youngest soul in the heart, of course, and the strongest soul when it comes to injustice. But I have seen throughout my life ki even to keep a person's mouth shut, a Padma Shri was given.
इतले सुद्धा जाला राजकारणात. आमकां
खंयची पार्टी कितें तें म्हाका इंटरेस्ट सुद्दां ना उलोवपाक. I'm not saying any particular party. I have seen this happen. I never lobbied.
कित्याक तुमकां ते लॉबिंग चल्लां दिसता म्हणजे कोण हे लॉबिंग करता आनी कित्या खातीर
ह्युमिलिटी असायड दोन देवान जे हेमाक अचिव्हमेंट्स दिल्या ओगीच म्हाका इंडस्ट्रीज नॅशनली एक्नॉलेज हेरल्ड ग्लोबल gave me an award, industries #1. It's here for you to see, for unmatched performance. And they said after she being an achiever who's the nation's pride and Goa's pride, non-Goans saying this, they said she is so humble. How come? How many singers in India, when I go to Arunachal Pradesh, say Meerut, when I go to Lucknow, when I go to Kolkata to perform, I go to Assam to perform in this year itself, how many singers are called nation's pride? So those people are nation's pride. So no need of Padma Shris and Padma Bhushans for them. It's all good, man. No problem.
एकच गजालीचेर हांव येता. एक कोंकणीन म्हण आसा, गोंयकाराक आपल्या गांवाक नांव मेळना, भायर नांव मेळटा. तुमकां दिसता की तुमकां गोंयाक आसा नांव आसा गोंयकारांनी.
ल्हानपणापासून म्हाका कोणे वाखाणून म्हणजे वाखाणले कोणे I was 11 years old. Navin Times brought. I'm telling you openly.
So तुम्ही गोंयकाराचे उपकारी आसात.
Herald and Navin Times हांचे म्हाका सपोर्ट दिला as a child. Oh my God! And Gomantak. These were the 3 big newspapers of Goa that time. And my people of Goa, कितली अपुरबाय केल्या रे. तांचेच आशीर्वाद मरे. Of course, there has to be the hand of the greats, the gods.
So जे गोंयकारांनी तुमकां कितें दिलें
and my parents आशीर्वाद, but गोंयकारांनी हेमाक उखलून धरला मरे.
ज्या गोंयकारांनी हेमा सरदेसाय इतले सगळे दिले त्याच गोंयकारा खातीर आज हेमा सरदेसाय आपूण कितें तरी करपाक सोदता आनी करत आसा.
करीत आसा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. कितें करूंक सोदतले आनी जीव आतां आज फाल्यां म्हाका मारूंक शकता हे लोक. हेमा नोज समथिंग.
आतां तुमची पयली म्हाका मारना जाल्यार पुरो जाला म्हाका. But jokes apart, I think we will come to one last question.
If you think that they are going to do this to you, please do not show this. You are precious.
Correct.
Please do not put it out. I protect you by saying this truth need not go out. Whatever I've spoken, because your life, you're my Goan, and your life is more precious than anything else for me. Every Goan life.
लोकांक दिसता की आमी खूब तरेचे प्रश्न विचारतात, जावं ते पॉलिटिकल जावं ते पर्सनल, पूण एक जर्नलिस्ट, एक न्यूज एंकर किंवा एक जो इंटरव्यूअर आसता ताजें कामूच तें आसता आनी उलोवपाकय लोकां कडेन मेळटा, प्रश्नय विचारपाक मेळटा, भासाभासय करपाक मेळटा. आनी म्हाका दिसता आज जेन्ना हांवें हो इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट केल्लो तेन्ना पर्सनल आनी राजकारण त्याच बरोबर समाजकारण म्हणजे पर्सनल लायफ, पॉलिटिकल लायफ अँड सोशल एक्टिविस्ट लायफ ऑफ हेमा सरदेसाय ह्यो 3 गजाली स्टार्ट करून हांवें हो इंटरव्यू सुरू केल्लो, हो इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट केल्लो. हेमा मॅडमीन बरे तरेन आपले व्ह्यूज शेअर केले. मॅडम इमोशनली जाली, गोंयच्या खातीर गोंयकाराक लागून इमोशनल जाली. हें मातशें पळोवन हांवूय इमोशनल जालो. पूण आज गोंयकार कितें सोदता आनी जो उलो हेमा सरदेसाय मारता त्या उल्याक गोंयकार जशे प्रत्येक फाटी हेमा सरदेसाय बरोबर आयल्यात ते ह्याय फाटी येतले आनी तो बदल किंवा ती चेंज ही कितें आसतली हें मात आमकां मागीर कळटलें. पूण लोकांचो जो आवाज आसा तो ह्या सरकाराच्या फावराक आसा काय विरोधाक आसा हेंय आमकां इलेक्शना वेळार कळटलेंच. पूण तुमचें जें कितें मत आसा तेंच गरजेचें, तुमचे विचार आसात तेच गरजेचे. ते विचार, तुमचे मत सांबाळून दवरात इतलेंच हांव तुमकां सांगता. आनी हो इंटरव्यू सोपयता पळयत रावात गोंयचें राजकारण विथ साईदत्त कामत ओन्ली ऑन RDX गोवा. देव बरें करूं.